Hello everyone and welcome back. This is a project video, and in this lecture we want to use shape tool which we were taught in the previous episode and create a simple face just like this one you see on your screen. So let's jump into the Illustrator. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel for reaching to the previous lectures and click on the bell button so whenever I publish a new video you are the first one who can watch it. Okay everybody, at the first step we select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle at the middle of my artboard. And now I want to create some curves. So I select the move tool and add a curve to my edges. The full curve. Just like that. Okay, now I want to add some colors to my fill and my stroke. But in this case, I want to delete the color of the stroke. From here, I select the none, and I have no stroke now, and I change the fill color from here. But for getting the face color, you should search on the internet and find the color code of the face. So I found that, and from here, I double click on the fill, and in this place, I add my code. The bright face color code is F1C09B. And this is the color. I press OK. The second step is creating the eyes and eyebrows. I select the ellipse tool from here, and from here I change the color to white. And I create an eye and hold the shift key, and I want to duplicate the eye for adding a little black circle at the middle of my eye. So I press Command and C or Control C in Windows and Command and V. I select the selection tool. You can use the hotkey, that's V key on your keyboard. And now I move it here and I scale it down with holding the shift and alt for scaling down at the center. And now I change the color again with the color code. From here I add another color code 16303A. That's it. I press OK. And this is my eye, and again I select the rectangle tool. You can use the M hotkey for selecting the rectangle tool. Okay, here I create a little rectangle, and now I zoom in. With pressing V key, I select the selection tool and add a curve to my rectangle. And now zoom out. Again, select the selection tool with pressing V. And this is one eye. So I select all the layers, and with holding the shift, I deselect the face. And now I press Command and G. I add all these layers to one group, and now I press Command and C and Command and V and move it to this place. Now for aligning, I select all the layers and go to Align here and use this button, Horizontal Align Center, just like that. And now I select this group, hold the Shift key, and with using the arrow keys, I press the right arrow key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And select the other group, and again the left arrow key 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for the nose. I again select the rectangle. Select the move tool, zoom in, and add a curve. And for the mouth, I again select the rectangle, add a big rectangle here, and add a full curve, just like that, and again select the selection tool. I want this place for the mouth, so I select the rectangle tool again, and create a new rectangle, and with the selection tool I select this rectangle, and with holding the shift key select this one again, and with using the pathfinder select it from here and use the minus fonts. If I press Command and Z, I can change the position of the front rectangle to here with holding the shift key and pressing the up arrow key on your keyboard. And now again I use the pathfinder. And now I make a copy from this shape, Command and C and Command and V, and put it here. And now again I use the pathfinder and do this one. And now I put this shape to here and again use the rectangle, put it here, and again select this one and this one. I again use minus fonts, and now I have this shape and this shape, and change the color of this shape to white. Just like that, very easy. Now I select the mouth and put it up. And now it is necessary to resize the face. I select it, just like that, and select all the layers, holding the shift key, and deselect the face and move it to the up. Very easy. And now the face just needs a hair. I again select the rectangle tool and again select the color with code 172F3A. And now I press OK. And now I add a hair to my face. Again add a curve to my rectangle. Make it bigger. I use the ellipse tool with holding the shift key. Press V or selecting the selection tool and move it here. I hold the Alt key for duplicate this layer. Very easy. And now I press the right click on my shape and go to the arrange and send it to back, just like that. And again I want to duplicate this shape, holding the Alt and put it here. Again send it to back and increase the size. And now move it here. I select this shape, again holding the Alt key and move it here. I want to decrease the width of my face. I select it, but you can see I cannot decrease the width. And that is because of the curves. I should decrease the curves. And now decrease the size with holding the Alt key. Not that much. And now add the curves again. I forgot to change the mouse color. I select it, and from here again I add a code 9A1C39 and press OK. That's it. This is a very simple face just with using the shape tool and with some simple tips and necessary tips which you should always use them in your project. Okay, that's finished. I wish you enjoy watching this video. Please create the face at your home, and if you need any help, please do not hesitate to contact us.